Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Satzym. So if you are a new person on my channel, then please do know that I do videos around art, craft, DIY, design and much more. So if you are someone who is interested in the same, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So Diwali is just around the corner, so let me take a moment to wish you all a very happy Diwali. I hope all of you are doing good and keeping safe and you have the best Diwali ever. So if you are looking for a very stunning Diya Hanging Diwali decor, then this video is for you. This will definitely amp up the look of your house. So if you are looking for something like that, then please keep on watching this video to the end and I hope you truly enjoy it. If you do, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down your views below and please share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know of. I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started.
To begin with, I'm going to use these Kullhads and start wrapping this jute rope all around its surface. This will help conceal any branding or any marks on the cup and will provide it that raw feel that we want. Once you are done wrapping the bottom part, use a slightly thicker braided rope to cover the brim of the Kullhad and finally make a butterfly knot. To embellish it a little, I am going to stick these fox flowers on the surface of the Kullhad to make it look a little bit more interesting. Repeat this process with as many Kullhads you want or you have, depending upon what length you are seeking for. Now coming on to the flowers, I'm going to use some scrap brown paper bag and cut a long strip. Now fold this about 4 times. I'm going to cut about 4 petals from this. Open up and keep the petals on the side. Use the other side and shred it close to where it ends. I am going to use a green crepe paper as well and will again fold it 4 times and shred it the same way. Use a pen and start wrapping these in a circular motion on top of each other like shown in the video and stick them properly. Once done, start to paste the petals one by one and once they are fixed, turn them over to the other side like shown in the video. Now make as many flowers as you want to make. I've made both 5 flowers and 5 Kullhads. Lastly, I am going to suspend these flowers and collards from the jute rope one by one. Know that every flower and collard should suspend alternatively so that they don't clash with each other. There you go, a stunning Diwali Diya wall hanging is ready.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down your views below, and share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know of, so that I can reach out to more people. If you try this tutorial at your home, then don't forget to share it with me on my social media handles, which are provided in the description box below. I would love to see it. You can also follow me on my Instagram, where you can see the same video in a 60-second format if you are in a hurry. Thank you so much for watching this video again. I hope you loved this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.